Okay, find the sum of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression whose nth term is 4n minus 1. Now this problem is an example for the item number 7 of the activity sheet number 4. Now the problem of this problem is that we do not have yet our sequence. But we do know that we have a sequence that is being defined by this nth term. Okay? So, to find the sum of the sequence that is being defined by this nth term, we need to use this formula. S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now, take note that to use this formula, we only need the n, or the number of terms, the a sub 1, and then the last term. Okay? So, let's have our given. What are the given on this problem? Let's start with the n. How many terms are we dealing with in this problem? It's 20 terms. So we know that n is equal to 20. Okay? Now what about the a sub 1? Do we know the first term of this sequence? No, not yet. Okay? But to find the value of a sub 1, or the first term, simply substitute this value 1 to the n. Okay? So to find the a sub 1, let's make a space here. A sub 1, that is equal to this 4 times n, which is 1. So 4 times 1 minus 1. Okay, now what is 4 times 1? That is 4. And then minus 1. Now what is 4 minus 1? That is 3. So therefore, the value of our a sub 1 is 3. Okay, now what about the last term, or the a sub n? Since we are talking about 20 terms on this sequence, then that means that the last term here is represented by a sub 20. Okay, so the last term here is a sub 20, but we do not know what term is there on the a sub 20. Okay, so to find the value of the 20th term, again, make use of this nth term by replacing or by substituting 20 as the value of n. So the a sub 20 is equal to 4 times the n, which is 20, okay, minus 1. Now what is 4 times 20? That is 80 minus 1. So 80 minus 1, that is 79. Okay, so therefore the last term, or the a sub 20, is equal to 79. Now that we already have these values, pwede na magamit tong formula. Okay, so we are looking for the sum of the first 20 terms. So s sub 20 is equal to, what is the value of our n? That's 20 over 2 times, what is the value of our a sub 1? That's 3 plus the a sub n, which is 79. Okay, divide 20 by 2, that's 10 times the 3 plus 79, that is 82. Okay, so 10 times 82, that is 820. So therefore, the sum of the first 20 terms of the sequence that is being defined by this sequence, by this nth term, is equal to 820.